In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a like on LinkedIn Mobile. If you reacted to a post by mistake, don't worry. Undoing it is quick and easy. First, open your LinkedIn app on your phone. If the post you reacted to is still on your screen or you can find it in your feed, simply tap the same reaction you used. On LinkedIn, reactions include like, celebrate, support, funny, love, insightful, and curious. When you tap the highlighted reaction again, it turns off and your reaction is removed. You'll see it unselect, and the reaction count may update right away. But what if the reaction you want to remove was on a post from a while back and you can't find it in your feed? You can still undo it from your profile. From the home screen, tap your profile icon, then tap it again to go to your profile page. On your profile, look for the activity section. Open Activity, then choose Show All Activity. At the top, you'll see tabs for different types of activity. Switch to the Reactions tab. This section lists the posts you've reacted to, so it's the fastest way to locate older likes and other reactions without scrolling through your entire feed. Browse the list and find the post you want to update. From there, remove your reaction the same way as before. Tap the reaction you added so it's no longer highlighted. If your reaction disappears, you're all set. Sometimes the layout varies slightly between devices or app versions, so if you don't immediately see reactions, swipe across the tabs in the activity view until it appears. The labels may read slightly differently depending on your region, but the flow is the same. Profile, Activity, Show All Activity, then Reactions. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If the app seems slow to update, give it a second or refresh the page so changes reflect properly. Remember, this works for any reaction type, not just likes, and you can re-add a reaction later if you change your mind by tapping it again. That's it. 2 easy paths to remove a like on LinkedIn Mobile. Undo it directly on the post if you're viewing it, or use your profile's activity section to find and remove older reactions. If this walkthrough helped you, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.